Okay, hi Renz, Miko here. Okay, so the small edits are the following for this card. Um, the alignment here on the white side of the card, if you can see here, it's bigger and here it's smaller. So kindly make sure it's super centered. So this is bigger here, white space. This is smaller. Secondly, the logo. If you see the graduation here, is it's the check mark is really jagged, so it's gotta be something like this, white to green. So please fix that because it's chopped right now on the check mark, the green check mark. Okay, and then going to the silver side, same thing with the logo. This one is it's a broken line, it looks really bad, so it's got to look like this from white to green. Okay, and then I changed the size of this one to 11 point instead of 12, so it got smaller. And what I did is I moved this up from the bottom so that it doesn't get chopped when the printing press does it. So I think it's fine now. Just kindly make sure everything is aligned center, and the spacing is good on left and right, and then this one is aligned center with the logo in the center of the card. Okay, that's pretty much it, Renz. And then if you can finalize it and then make it a, put crosshairs and whatever for cutting the bleeds, then we'll submit print ready to the printer. But send me the draft first once you've made all the edits. Thanks, Renz. Appreciate it. Bye.